Samosa chaat in just 45 seconds. Samosa chaat is a popular street food in India, combining crispy samosas with tangy chutneys and flavorful spices. To make samosa chaat, start by frying or baking your samosas until they are golden and crispy. Then, break them into bite-sized pieces and place them in a serving bowl. Next, add a generous drizzle of tamarind chutney and mint chutney over the samosas. These chutneys will add a sweet and tangy flavor to the dish. Sprinkle some finely chopped onions, tomatoes, and green chilies over the samosas for added freshness. You can also add some boiled chickpeas or moong sprouts for extra texture. Finally, garnish your samosa chaat with a sprinkle of chaat masala, which will give it a unique and delicious flavor. And there you have it, your homemade samosa chaat is ready to be enjoyed. Make sure to give it a try and let us know how it turned out. Like and subscribe for more fun and easy recipe tutorials. Happy cooking!